Good morning dear students. Now today we are going to discuss anomalous behavior of carbon. Carbon is first element in 14th group and first element always shows different property from other elements of its group. Right? Carbon differs in properties from other elements in terms of physical properties and in terms of chemical properties. Right? First anomaly of carbon, very small atomic size. Carbon shows very small atomic size because its atomic number is 6. Only 6 electrons are present. How many orbits are present? Carbon is placed in second period, only 2 orbits are present. 2 shells are present. Right? Electrons are present in K and N shells. 2, 4. Okay children? 6 is atomic number, electronic configuration in terms of shells, K and shells, 2 and 4. What is? Very small atomic size, exceptionally small atomic size. Right? What is the reason? Due to presence of only 2 orbits. On moving down the group, number of orbits increases or atomic size increases. Higher electronegativity. Electronegativity depends on atomic size. Increasing atomic size, decreasing electronegativity. Right? Carbon shows higher electronegativity than other elements of 14th group. Higher ionization energy, i.e. ionization energy is related with removal of valence electrons. Loss of valence electrons. How many valence electrons are present? In 14th group, 4 valence electrons are present. Right? Its size is very small. Atomic size is very small. For removal of 4 valence electrons, high amount of energy is required, which is called IE. Right? What is its value? Higher ionization energy in comparison of other elements. Right? Next, anomalous behavior, absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. Right? In valence shell, which orbitals are present? S and P only. Right? 1s2 for 2 electrons, 2s2 and 2p2 for 4 valence electrons. Absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. This is shell and these are subshells. S and P are shells. Okay children? Next is multiple bonds. Multiple bond character. Formation of multiple, more than one. Due to its small size or formation of p pi bond. Overlapping of p electrons and formation of pi bond. Right, which is called p pi bond. Multiple bond character, like in alkenes, double bonded system. One bond is pi bond, and type of this pi bond is p pi. Overlapping of p electrons in which manner? In this sideways overlapping and formation of pi bond. Right? Multiple bond character in alkene, alkyne, or in functional groups. This is alkyne. Triple bonded system is alkyne, ethyne. Right? Functional group like in ketone or aldehydes. This group is carbonyl group. Is silent group also. C triple bond L. Multiple bond character. Right? Pi bonded system is present. Catenation. Catenation means self-linking property of carbon. What is called catenation? This self-linking property. Bonding of carbon with another carbon atom. in saturated hydrocarbons, unsaturated hydrocarbons, cyclic products, acyclic products, or branched products or organic compounds. This is a common trend. Catenation, it means self-linking. Okay children? Like in cycling, carbon, carbon and attachment of hydrogen atoms. Right? Each carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen. This is cyclohexane and property is catenation. Okay children? What is the maximum covalency of carbon only 4 in any compound? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or triple bonded system like this 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called 4 covalency. Right? Maximum covalency of carbon in any compound is 4. Not more than 4 due to absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. Right? Other elements can show covalency more than 4 due to presence of d orbitals in the valence shell. Like in one compound of silicon, which is SiF6, silicon hexafluoride, SiF6, negative charge, remaining charge is 2 minus, right? Fluoride is negative ion, monovalent, anion. What is the remaining charge? Remaining charge is minus and maximum covalency is more than 4, which is 6 in this compound, right? What is next feature of carbon? Carbon is non-metallic element. Non-metallic character decreases on moving down the group. Metallic is lead and non-metallic is carbon, right? Next one, unique property. Hydrolysis of halide of carbon is not possible, like carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride cannot be hydrolyzed due to absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. CCl4 plus water, no hydrolysis occurs, no reaction, right? But if silicon is taken, silicon tetrachloride, silicon tetrachloride, then formation of silicic acid, silicic, this product. Displacement of 4 chlorine atoms by 4 OH groups of water molecule, and byproduct is acid. Hydrolysis of other tetrachlorides is possible except carbon tetrachloride. What is the reason? Lone pair of electron of oxygen. Lone pair of electron of oxygen is accepted in d orbitals of central atom, which is silicon in this compound. In this compound, if germanium is taken GeCl4, then lone pair of electron is accepted in d orbitals of central atom, which is germanium. Right? This is unique character of carbon. Meaning of p pi bonds when overlapping occurs between p orbitals and p orbitals. In which manner? In sideways manner. Then resultant bond is called pi bond. Right? What is the bond of overlapping in p pi? In any type of pi bonding, sideways overlapping. This is called sideways. And this type of overlapping is horizontal, where bond is a sigma bond. And this is pi bond. Here direction is along the internuclear axis and this is perpendicular. Here type of pi bond is p pi, right? p orbital of one carbon, p orbital of second carbon, and resultant bond is pi bond. Okay children? In unsaturated system or in multiple bonded system.